guys, I am Akash in Motion Master, and today I'm going to unbox Philips hair dryer. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video.
So guys, this is to inform you that on my last video on unboxing Philips earbuds, the video was seen by about 80 people, but just 4 of them subscribed. So please remember to subscribe my channel to get more unboxing and tech videos like these. Thank you. So hey guys, this is the package for the Philips hair dryer that I am going to unbox today. So it says Philips DayCare, an extra gentle drying for your hair. So let's unbox it. Here's the manual. We'll just keep it aside. And then there's a main stuff. We'll open the plastic covering. And here it comes, the main Philips hair dryer with, of course, a long wire that's just impossible to take out of the package. And so we got it. See, such a long wire. And so about informing you, here's the motor, you can see. It's the pink coloring that I have bought, and it's from Philips, as you know. So let's see the main and highlighted features. It says thermoprotect temperature, 1000 watt power, compact design. And see if there's more features in the back. And yeah, I got some. Here's the double connect super power mode. It says extra gentle care. So let's try it out after some time. See, there's a black button for the super mode and the normal mode. And here's the cable with which you can plug it to the board and use it. So let's see how we can use this. So hey guys, this is our hair dryer, and you can see that I have plugged it in a board, and now we are gonna try this, how it works. So I have fixed a piece of paper in the wall. There was a crack, and I'll just turn on the switch and turn it on. So it's on, and you can see it's working fine. This is the normal mode though. Now we are going to turn on to the super mode. See, it's working just fine. So now I'm going to turn it off. So guys, hope you liked this video, and this is Motion Master, and I am Akash signing off. If you know me, then please like and share the video, and if you don't, then please hit the subscribe button, and you will know me forever.